Hi friends, hi student, I am Asit Tiwari. Today in the Geography 12th class, the book Fundamental of the Human Geography, and our going on lesson is the world population. Today we will discuss the component of the population change. As you know very well, and you also study in the 10th class, 9th class also, the component of the population change. There are three important components. One is the birth, second is the death, and third one is very important, that is the migration. So these three components which are very important for just knowing the population change, and they also play a very important role for affecting the population of any country. So students, we will study this topics of the population change. The factor we will see also, and very elaborately, and in the first we will see the formula of the crude birth rate, where you will see the live birth during the year and mid-year population of the area, and you will multiply by the 1000, so you will get the crude birth rate of the area. That is very important formula, and it is also used for assessing the, you will say, population change of any region. At the same time, the death rate, which plays a very active role in the population change, because population growth can be seen in the two ways. One is the increasing birth rate, and second is the decreasing death rate. Because increasing birth rate, that plays a very important role in the positive way, means plus the growing population which affected the population change very you will say positively. Sometimes it become very explosive. And decreasing death rate, when the population is going to be controlled by this decreasing rate of the death rate. So crude death rate, which is also measured by the, you will say, number of the death and estimated mid-year population of that year or the area, and multiply by the 1000, so you will get the crude death rate of the area. And it also seen in the form of mortality of the any area, because mortality means the children which are growing in the 1 year, and they are just continuing their age from the 1 year also, means number of the children who are completing their 1 year age per 1000 children of any area, that is called the mortality rate. So student, that is very important things, and it also affected the demographic structure of the area, because demographic structure of the area means a different age group people who are living in that area. It means the productive people who are living in that area, and they can also affect the economy of the region. Second is the social advancement. Social advancement means the area which is also having the kind of some social improvement in the form of democracy, such as the laws which are affecting the region, and so many other possible things which make the social advancement toward the people to become a very good citizen. And third one is level of its economic development, because economic development which plays a very positive role and very effective role for the development of any area. So it can also will say bring the changes in the population, because these factors mostly, you will say, attract the populations, and also you will say surplus the mortality of the person in that area. So these are the two factors which we have studied earlier, the birth rate and the death rate. Now we will see the migration. Migration means movement of the people from one place to another place. There we will see the two type of the migration. One is place of origin, second is place of destination. Because place of origin, where the people who are coming to their region, and place of destination, where they are moving across or moving abroad the countries. Because when the people who are coming in that area, so they are decreasing in the populations, and sometimes the people go into the other countries for in the search of a job or the employment. So this factor is very important for the population increase. So place of origin, which plays a very important role for the push factor, and place of destination, which plays a very important role for the pull factor, because push factor always plays a very negative role, and a place of destination plays a very positive role. Means when the people who are coming to their own origin places, obviously they are increasing the population, and the people, decreasing the population, and a place of a destination. When the people who are just moving to other countries, it means they are just increasing the population. Such as many of the neighboring countries of India, these people who are coming to our countries and settling in our areas, it means obviously they are just increasing the population. As we have seen in many times in the history also, such as the laborers, the people who were moving from one continent to another continent, and it was also very affecting to the population change in that time. So student, hope you can understand well. Then spontaneous efforts of the migration can be seen to achieve a better balance between the population and the resources, because the populations and the resources, these two are very important things, because where there is a population, the resources availability is very ensured, then obviously the population change can be seen a very important factors, because people who want to achieve a better life, so that can be the kind of factor for the balance between the population and the resources, because good quality of water, good quality of the petroleum, good quality of the coal, good quality of the other resources, if they are available, even the soil which is available also very good qualities, obviously it will affect the population change, because people moving to that area where there is a lot of better type of the resources, good resources are available. So migration can be seen also in the form of permanent, temporary and the seasonal, because sometimes the people who moving from one area to another area, and they settle in that area, you will say region, but they come to their own region. So this is a very permanent type of the, you will say, migration. Temporary migration, when the people who are just moving from one place to another places only for some times. Okay, and third one is the seasonal, because people who are moving from one place to another places on the time, on the occasion of the seasons of the crops, on the occasion of the religions, on the occasion of different type of other festivals. So we can see the migration can be seen from the rural to rural area, rural to urban areas, urban to urban areas, and urban to rural areas, because same person who is moving from one place to another place, it can be seen into the form of immigration and emigration. Immigration, when a person who is moving to other countries, and immigration, when a person who is coming to in their own countries and settling there, means one person who is moving outside and settle there, and the second person who is moving to inside the country and settle in the country. So this is the emigration. And better economic and social life, also the kind of objective for every people. So this is very important factor, and a better economic and social life is the motive also for every people. So this factor also very important for the population change, because these are the very important reason, causes for the people to migrate from one country to another countries. So student, hope you understand well all these topics about the population change and components which I have explained here. If any kind of the doubt, you can ask it, and hope you enjoyed this video lecture. If any kind of the problem, you can comment it. So thank you student to listen me and watching me.